In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Siri on macOS and step by step. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Next, scroll down and click Apple Intelligence and Siri. On some versions of macOS, this option may simply be called Siri. Now, find Ask Siri and turn it on. You can then choose how you want to activate Siri. You can select Hey Siri, Siri, or use the keyboard shortcut, depending on your preference and Mac model. Once Siri is enabled, simply say your chosen wake phrase or press the assigned keyboard shortcut to activate it. Now you can ask Siri questions, check the weather, open apps, create reminders, send messages, and perform many other tasks on your Mac. You can also customize Siri by changing the language, selecting a different Siri voice, or adjusting other settings to match your preferences. And that's it. That's how you can turn on and use Siri on your Mac.